Hi, I'm Brandy, and today we're going to be looking at a new box, kind of. I'll tell you more. So basically, there's this website called Style Korean, and it's a K-beauty site. They have a lot of amazing deals, particularly their flash deals or deals of the day. You might see them advertise a lot on Instagram. The link on BombieBox for shop goes to them, and so they have their Starry Box, box number 8, Starry Box. I don't know if it's a monthly type box or what their deal is because I just barely started sticking with them, but that's what I bought here, as well as a couple items because if you spend $80 you got free shipping, so I did that. So everything in this box cost me $80.75. And let me show you what I got. Information. So this is one item. These are some samples that came with it, and we'll go over all of that. I'll tell you what these items are as I get them. Just empty the box. So first things first, the actual, I got this Misha Time Revolution, the first treatment essence. It's supposed to be a really good essence and a nice dupe for a more expensive essence that's really famous, but I'm going to try it. One of the reasons I purchased this is, number one, it was 50% off, this was $25, but number two, I hardly ever get a lot of essence in my boxes. I mean, across all the boxes, I still barely have enough essence. This is the one item across all my boxes that I have to purchase regularly. So, essence. And, actually, I'm going to leave that here. I'm not going to put that down. I got these Cosarexa Acne Pimple Master Patch. They're 24 patches. They're 3 packs. I got this for $10, which is cheaper than Amazon. And they're just really nice little circular hydrocolor band-aids that you put on your pimples. And it doesn't instantly make them go away, but it definitely makes them less red. It makes them flatter. If you have a head, like a white pustule, it helps evacuate the pus. Very nice. They're amazing. I love them. Little samples, Benton Essence, H7 Hydro Max Cream, V10 Vitamin Tone Up Cream, Rose Intensive Tone Up Cream. So some nice little samples. This I bought. It was the big item I bought to get over $80. It is a Benton set, and I got it for $39.99, which is pretty amazing. So basically, it's the Snail Be High Content Skin, so toner. Really simple packaging here. The Snail Be High Content Essence. So I've got 2 essences, depending on, I guess, how I feel and how the day is or whatever. I got the Snail Be Ultimate Serum. And the Snail Be High Content Steam Cream, which is just a cream that's been, the process of creating it involved really high temperatures, so it's supposed to be extra moisturizing. So basically this whole set, pretty cool. I'm really pleased with it. Smell mucin and bee venom and a whole bunch of other really good ingredients for your skin, so I'm really excited about this, particularly after I get some of the treatments done that I'm going to be getting. So I'm going to be getting a microdermabrasion, and so your skin's really sensitive and absorbent, and that's when I'm going to be focusing on these products. So that whole kit was $39.99 on the site, but their box is this. Style Korean. This is the Starry Box. This box was $9.99. $9.99. Its contents are worth $90, so it's a pretty high return of investment. I'm really pleased. 900% return of investment. So Wonder Pour Freshener, Attune House, a Beeb relaxing sleeping mask, a makeup brush, ooh, Snail Be high content steam cream, this Color Moon Walk, add some vibration to your oil. It's a jelly pot and bronze champagne. Nice. I'm going to leave it sealed. I don't want to unseal it. But in case you can see, it goes really well with my skin. Look, my camera is really yellow today, but my husband's out with the baby, so it's going to be yellow. I've gotten this before. Pyeongkangul Acne Facial Cleanser. It is good stuff. And 2 masks. This one's a Personal Care Aurora Pearl Eye Mask. I got a pink one of these before. I've never gotten this color. And this one's really interesting. It's Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask Oil and Extract. And you're supposed to like mix these together for a sheet mask treatment. So it looks pretty interesting. Super moisturizing. That would probably be the day of the treatment. I would do that. So basically all of this, $80.75 on Style Korean. I know that the Starry Box is still available now in January of 2019. I don't know how much longer it'll be available. But for $10, if you've been wanting to try a Korean beauty box, pretty good deal. You can't beat it. The sales, I know this one's still going on. I'm not sure about this one and this one, but they always have something new. I think this weekend they have everything at Tude House 50% off, so you're going to have to follow the link and check out what's available right now. But this is Style Korean. I very much like them. They are great value, and I recommend them to you. So please check out the links below so you can find their site and see what they have to offer. And leave me a comment what you think. And if you like this, please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.